Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my all-time favorite southern meals, a fried green tomato sandwich with crispy brown sugar bacon, and you can't get better than that. What I've got right here is 1 cup of yellow cornmeal and 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. And to that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt and a 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. And we're going to go ahead and give that a whisk. There we are. We're going to take our tomatoes. Make sure to press firmly whenever you go to put that in there. Don't be afraid to manhandle them just a little bit. Okay, we're trying to get all that breading actually inside of the tomato itself. So you can see how I'm pressing that down. I'll flip it, throw a little bit more on there. That breading is nice and deep inside of there. Otherwise, it could possibly fall out whenever we're frying these. Now we're doing a very thin breading. Now why we're not using any buttermilk or anything like that. Because these are going to be going on a sandwich. And I really don't want to have breading on breading. So we've got our pan hot over here. And I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what that looks like. So here's our pan. We're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. It's probably about a tablespoon. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And while that's melting, we're going to go ahead and start our bacon. So we've got our pan up to temp. Now I'm just going to lay these nice thick cuts of bacon down and kind of let them do their thing. Right here, I'm starting to sizzle. So our oil is ready and our butter's ready. Let's go ahead and get those tomatoes on. Alright, now let me show you what we're looking for. When we put that in there, it should immediately start cooking. If it doesn't act like that, then your oil is not hot enough and that breading is just going to fall off. Alright, we're going to let these cook for about 2 minutes and then we're going to give them a flip. In the meantime, let's go back to that beautiful bacon. So these guys are definitely cooked on that one side. However, we're going to add a little bit of a little trick. It's my dad's favorite way to eat bacon. And I'm just going to put a little bit of brown sugar on there. Now, whenever I was growing up, I very seldomly got this because my mother absolutely hates wasting bacon grease. And you can't keep the grease once you put sugar in it. My first time to ever see my father cook, he decided he was going to make make us some breakfast one morning. And he used my mother's brand new stainless steel pans to make brown sugar bacon. That was not a good morning for us. I can still see the look on her face. She was mad. There's a reason why we use non-stick. And that was not non-stick. Put a little bit more brown sugar on this side. And we're just going to let that sit, cook up, and caramelize. Alright, looks like these tomatoes are about ready to flip. See? Oh yeah. And you can see right there, all that juice is starting to render out of them. And that's perfectly fine. Just remember, if you're going to be making a lot of these, you might have to change out your oil. These guys are looking good. Let me go ahead and give them a little flip. So we're at a nice golden brown. Now it really just depends on how far you want to cook this down, how brown you want it. But I think for these, I'm probably going to pull these off pretty soon. Alright, so let's start assembling our sandwich now. 2 pieces of bread. I'm using a white French bread, brioche. We're going to use some mayonnaise. The brand I am using today is called Duke's. You can use Hellmann's. You can even use vegan mayo if you want. It's what my wife always uses. She also doesn't get the bacon on hers, so. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean our spoon off. Alright, here's the fun part. Let's add that bacon. Add 2 slices of our fried green tomato. Some people would go, oh, the sandwich is done. But we know it's not. So now, we're going to add a second layer of bacon. Why? Because, as my nephew would say, everything is better with bacon. Alright, let's just give this a nice gentle cut, as gentle as we can be. That bacon is all over that sandwich. Alright, let's give this a taste. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this, make sure to give us a like. If you made it through the video, definitely subscribe and comment with any future sandwich recipes you would like us to make. Remember, we will try anything as long as it sounds delicious. Or maybe not. Alright guys, take care, and I'll see you next time.